Good evening and welcome back to our channel Commerce Study Point. Today we will discuss the MCQ of chapter 4 planning. Okay, so let's start question 1. Planning is flexible, stable, rigid or none of the above. And the correct answer of this question is option A, flexible. Now question 2. Planning is the blank function of the management and the correct option of this question is option A, first. Question 3. Blank is the essence of management. And the correct option of this question is option C, forecasting. And now the question 4. Planning results in decreasing blank. And the correct answer is option C, future uncertainties. Now question 5. Blank gives a complete details of doing a particular activity. And the correct option of this question is option D, method. Now question 6. What out of the following is the example of objectives? And the correct option of this question is option D, all of these. And now question 7. The basic of promotion of employee will be age. With which policy is this statement related? And the correct option of this question is option A, personal. Now question 8. Which out of the following policies will you recommend? And the correct option of this question is option C, both A and B. Now question 9. Punishment can be awarded for not following a particular element of planning. Name the element. And the correct option of this question is option C, rule. Now question 10. In case the debts are not paid within a month, interest at a definite rate will be levied. To what element of planning does this saying point out? And the correct option of this question is option B, rule. Now question 11. What do we call the quantitative details of a expected result? And the correct option of this question is D, budget. Now question 12. Which of the following is not the internal element of limitations of planning? And the correct option of this question is option C, increase in population. Now question 13. What resources are especially kept in the view in planning? And the correct option of this question is option A, limited. Now question 14. At what managerial level planning is needed? Option A, top. Option B, middle level. Option C, lower level. या फिर option D, all of these. And the correct answer of this question is option D, all the levels. Now question 15. When can the planning process be ignored? Option A, in ordinary situation. Option B, in case of emergency. Option C, both the above. Or option D, in no situation. And now the correct option is option B, in case of emergency. Question 16. Planning of different departments is option A, independent, option B individual, option C mutually depend, या option D none of these. And the correct option of this question is option C mutually depends. Now question 17. Smoking is prohibited in the factory. What element of planning does it exemplify? Option A policy, option B rule, option C procedure, या option D method. And the correct option is option B rule. Question 17. Rules are blank details. Option A special, या option B general, option C uncommon, या फिर option D none of these. And the correct option is option A special. Now question 19. What out of the following is the focus of planning? Budget, objectives, program, या फिर rule? And the correct option is option B objective. Now question 20. Which one of the following is not an element of planning? Rule, program, object, या फिर staffing? And the correct option is option D staffing. Now question 21. Which one is not the characteristics of rules? Rules are rigid. Violation of rules is punishable. Following rules is voluntary. A rule is a sort of order. And the correct option is option C. Following rules is voluntary. Question 22. Which one of the following is not a step of planning? Option A to forecast, establishing objectives, valuation of objectives, inductions or induction of employees on the job. And the correct option is option D, induction of employee on the job. Question 23. Planning is a process. Periodic, continuous, casual, or annual? And the correct option of this question is option B, continuous. 24. It is not the features of budget. Budget creates illusion. Budget is an element of planning. Option C, budget relates to planning and control. Or option D, budgets are object oriented. And the correct option is option A, budget creates illusion. Question last and 25. Planning is help in increasing cost, loss, efficiency, or none of these. And the correct option is option C, efficiency. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, हमारा आज का चैप्टर ये टॉपिक यहीं फिनिश होता है. मिलते हैं कल नए चैप्टर ऑर्गेनाइजिंग के साथ. जब तक आप उसकी स्टडी कीजिए. बेस्ट ऑफ लक.